The elevate contour by crossing command will let you elevate a series of contours rather than just picking on individual ones. So to begin with, you need to have two contours with good elevation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to elevate a couple contours that I have or know of the elevation. So here I know that this one here is 513, and I can see that it goes in this direction. So I can either go to my properties of that point and elevate it to 513, or I could go to the contour command here and elevate it. Now I need another one, so I'm going to come over here and pick this one, which is 512. So I'm going to set that one to 512 as well, or to an elevation as well. So you can see those two have been elevated, and what I need to do next is to simply use the contour by crossing command, and what I can do is drag across the contours. Now something that is going to be helpful is if you go to your display options, so on the view filter manager, on the display options, I can set display an alternate color, and I can set this color, let's say, to orange. So what this shows me is everything that doesn't have an elevation is orange, and once I elevate the contour, it will convert back to its original color. Now what I also might want to do is simply just view this, let me get out of this first, is just view just the contours so that I don't pick up any other contour lines or any other lines when I run this command. So what I'm going to do is just go to the contour line and say that I want to view only these objects. So now I can run this elevate command. I can set it to automatic, and I can go from and to. So basically all I have to do is cross these two lines. So if I pick here and I go down to this point here, you'll see that it's going to elevate those contours there. Now I can come over to pick this one and drag my cursor crossing all of these lines, and now I've elevated those. So you can see in just a few minutes I can elevate all this data. So here I can just come in and pick those, and then I can pick these two and drag across to pick up all these little ones here, and then work my way down, and you can see here I can pick to this and grab the inside of that, and then I can pick the inside of this and take it all the way out to here and work my way over to the other side as well. So here I can simply just cross, and as long as I cross two that are known, it will elevate the rest. So I'm just working my way through, picking those up, and the same thing, just work my way over here and elevate those. So there's a couple stragglers out there which I can pick up as well, and just do this, and you can see though that I've elevated those contours rather quickly.